Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you all the fuses and relays responsible for power to the fuel pump and the fuel injectors. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. All the fuses and relays will be located in a small fuse box just next to the battery under the front hood. Now to lift this cover you will have two black clips, one on this side and one on the other side. So you can just lift this side up to remove it and get access to all of the fuses. On the back side of this cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 22, which is a yellow 20 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to the fuel pump. Just next to it, it's fuse number 23, which is a 15 amp fuse responsible for power to the fuel injectors. So fuel pump and fuel injectors. And once you have checked both of these fuses, there is still one relay to check. It's a relay number 21B. It's a fuel pump relay. Now the best way to test it, just try to replace it with any of these three and see if that makes any difference. If it does, just buy a new relay. The price is like $4 or $5 and have it replaced, and that will fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.